Time. It's the one constant in our lives, ticking away relentlessly. Our human lifespans are but a blink in the grand scheme of cosmic time. Before the Big Bang, there was no universe as we understand it. From this singularity, our universe was born. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded exponentially. The Big Bang theory was radical when first proposed. The cosmic microwave background radiation provides stunning confirmation of the Big Bang theory. The universe, in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, was a place of unimaginable violence and energy. As the universe cooled, energy transitioned into matter. From chaos to structure, the first elements, hydrogen and helium, dominated the early universe. A universe bathed in light, with electrons now bound to nuclei. Photons were free to roam the universe unimpeded. Islands in the cosmic sea. Gravity began to exert its influence, leading to the formation of galaxies. Protogalaxies began to spin, shaping the galaxies we see today. Galaxies interacted, their gravitational fields locking them in a cosmic dance. Within these newly formed galaxies, the birth of stars began. Stars, like our sun, became cosmic engines, illuminating the galaxies. A massive star, having exhausted its fuel, reached the end of its life. A supernova explosion enriched the galaxy with the building blocks of planets and life. Section 2, the dawn of our solar system. A protostellar cloud collapsed, forming our sun and the protoplanetary disk. Section 3, a planet is born. Rocky planetesimals formed the inner planets, while icy planetesimals formed the gas giants. Section 1, a chemical genesis. The early Earth was a far cry from the tranquil oasis we know today. Its surface, a maelstrom of volcanic eruptions and meteorite impacts, offered little respite from the harsh conditions that prevailed. The atmosphere, thick with noxious gases, bore little resemblance to the life-sustaining blanket of air we breathe today. Yet, within this seemingly inhospitable environment, the stage was set for the most remarkable event in Earth's history, the genesis of life. The oceans, formed from condensed water vapor spewed forth by volcanic eruptions, churned with heat and turbulence. Dissolved within this primordial soup were simple inorganic molecules, the chemical building blocks of life: water, methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. These molecules, bathed in the energy of the young sun's ultraviolet radiation and jolted by the electrical discharges of frequent lightning storms, began to engage in a complex chemical dance. Imagine a laboratory of unimaginable scale where the forces of nature orchestrated a grand experiment. Simple molecules energized and jostled, collided and reacted, forming new and more complex compounds. Over millions of years, this chemical alchemy, driven by the relentless forces of chance and necessity, gave rise to a remarkable class of molecules, organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it. Section 2, the spark of life. Among the organic molecules that emerged from this primordial soup were amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, the workhorses of life. Proteins, intricate chains of amino acids folded into complex three-dimensional structures, carry out a vast array of functions within living cells, from catalyzing biochemical reactions to transporting molecules across cell membranes. Their emergence in the early Earth's oceans was a pivotal step towards the genesis of life. Alongside amino acids, other essential biomolecules arose: nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA and RNA, the carriers of genetic information. These molecules, with their ability to store and transmit genetic instructions, would prove essential for life's ability to replicate and evolve, passing on its hard-won complexity to subsequent generations. The precise moment when non-living matter transitioned to living organisms remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. Some theories propose that life arose in volcanic vents, where heat and chemicals from Earth's interior could have provided the energy and raw materials for life's genesis. Others suggest that life originated in shallow pools of water, where organic molecules could have been concentrated by evaporation, facilitating their interactions. Section 3. The first inhabitants of Earth. Regardless of where and how life arose, the first inhabitants of Earth were simple, single-celled organisms, prokaryotes. These microscopic pioneers, lacking a membrane-bound nucleus, were the forerunners of all life on Earth today. They thrived in the harsh conditions of the early Earth, their simple cells capable of extracting energy from their surroundings and replicating themselves, passing on their genetic information to their offspring. Among the earliest prokaryotes were cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae. These photosynthetic bacteria, harnessing the power of sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars, releasing oxygen as a byproduct, played a pivotal role in shaping Earth's atmosphere. Over billions of years, cyanobacteria released vast quantities of oxygen into the atmosphere, transforming it from a toxic mix of gases to the oxygen-rich air we breathe today. The emergence of life, a testament to the extraordinary creative potential of the universe, transformed Earth from a barren rock into a living planet. From these humble beginnings, life would embark on an epic journey of evolution, diversifying and adapting to every conceivable environment on Earth, eventually giving rise to the extraordinary tapestry of life we see today. Section 1. The rise of complexity from single cells to multicellular life. For billions of years, life on Earth was a single-celled affair. Prokaryotes, those microscopic pioneers of life, held dominion over the planet, their simple cells adapting to a wide range of environments, from the depths of the oceans to the harsh conditions of volcanic hot springs. Yet within this seemingly simple world, the seeds of complexity were being sown, setting the stage for a profound evolutionary leap, the emergence of multicellular life. The transition from single-celled organisms to multicellular life was a monumental event in Earth's history, a testament to the power of evolution to generate complexity from simplicity. It's thought that this transition occurred multiple times independently, a testament to its evolutionary advantage. Imagine a group of single-celled organisms perhaps adhering to each other for mutual benefit, gradually evolving specialized functions and working together as a cohesive unit. This division of labor, with different cells specializing in different tasks, allowed multicellular organisms to exploit new resources and occupy new ecological niches. Some cells might have specialized in obtaining nutrients, while others focused on structural support or reproduction. This specialization, in turn, allowed for greater complexity and sophistication, paving the way for the evolution of tissues, organs, and, eventually, the intricate bodies of plants and animals. Around 540 million years ago, life on Earth underwent a remarkable diversification known as the Cambrian explosion. A dazzling array of new body plans and life forms emerged, filling the oceans with unprecedented diversity. This burst of evolutionary creativity marked a pivotal turning point in the history of life on Earth. The Cambrian explosion saw the emergence of most major animal phyla, including arthropods and chordates. This period saw the evolution of eyes, predatory appendages, and sophisticated sensory systems. The causes of the Cambrian explosion are still debated among scientists. The increase in atmospheric oxygen levels provided the energy needed to support larger organisms. The evolution of new developmental genes may have provided the genetic toolkit for new morphologies. New ecological opportunities may have spurred diversification. For billions of years, life thrived in the oceans. But around 500 million years ago, life began its first steps onto land. This transition transformed the planet, leading to the rise of terrestrial ecosystems. Plants were the first pioneers, evolving roots, vascular systems, and waxy leaves. They transformed landscapes, creating habitats for animals. Arthropods were among the first animals on land, followed by insects. Insects with wings and adaptability thrived in diverse habitats. The reign of the dinosaurs, a testament to life's resilience, seemed destined to last for eons. These magnificent creatures held dominion over the Earth for over 180 million years. Yet their reign would end, brought about by a cataclysmic event from space. Around 66 million years ago, an asteroid hurtled towards Earth. The impact was devastating. The asteroid slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula, releasing unimaginable energy. The impact gouged out the Chicxulub crater, triggering global earthquakes and tsunamis. Section 2, A New Dawn, The Rise of Mammals. In the aftermath of the Chicxulub impact, the Earth was a very different place. The skies were choked with dust and debris, blocking the sun's rays. Temperatures plummeted, plunging the planet into darkness and cold. Wildfires raged, releasing soot and ash, exacerbating global cooling. Ecosystems were disrupted, driving extinctions on a global scale. The dinosaurs were decimated, their reign ended. Countless other species perished, their roles left vacant. Yet from the ashes, new life emerged. The extinction created opportunities for other organisms to evolve. Among the survivors were mammals, warm-blooded vertebrates. They had coexisted with dinosaurs, often in their shadow. Small, nocturnal, and often scavenging, mammals had crucial adaptations. Section 1, The Ascent of Humanity. With dinosaurs gone, mammals rose. They thrived, adapting to new niches. Primates with grasping hands and keen eyesight excelled in trees. From them emerged hominins, destined to walk upright and innovate. Over time, our ancestors' brains grew, tools advanced, and societies evolved. Section 2, A Cosmic Perspective. From the heart of a dying star to the emergence of life on a young, fiery planet, our journey through time has been nothing short of extraordinary. We've witnessed the birth of the universe, the formation of galaxies, and the intricate dance of celestial objects across the cosmos. We've traced the evolution of life from its simplest beginnings to the rise of complex, intelligent beings capable of contemplating their own existence. Looking back over billions of years, it's easy to feel dwarfed by the immensity of time and space. Our planet, a pale blue dot orbiting an ordinary star in a vast and ancient universe, seems but a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of things. Our lives, measured in mere decades, are but a blink of an eye compared to the cosmic epochs that have shaped our world. Yet this cosmic perspective, while humbling, should not diminish our sense of wonder and significance. We are, after all, a product of this universe, our very existence a testament to the extraordinary chain of events that led to our emergence. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars. Our molecules assembled in the primordial soup of a young Earth, our genes shaped by billions of years of evolution. Section 3, Our Legacy, Our Future. As we stand at the precipice of an uncertain future, our understanding of the past provides hope and inspiration. We are the only species capable of comprehending our origins, tracing our lineage back to the Big Bang, piecing together the story of life on Earth. This cosmic perspective is a privilege and a responsibility. It compels us to act as stewards of our planet, preserving the diversity of life. The universe is still young, its evolution far from complete. New stars are being born, new worlds discovered. We have the opportunity to shape the future, to explore new frontiers and unlock the universe's secrets. The future is full of possibilities. Let us embrace it with courage, wisdom and wonder.